Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to do a real brief walkthrough on a Premier Pontoon 25 Solaris. So, as you can see, double bimini top. It does have a power ladder on, or a power bimini top on the back. One of the things I really like about Premier, their LED light strip runs across this rail, so it gives you a really good look at night. Really good looking boat. Hammered look to the fencing. White 300 Mercury, and we get all of these with a what they call a ricochet ladder. So what's cool is this ladder, you don't have to lift it up yourself. You just leave it down, and as you drive the boat, the force of the water hits the ladder and just pushes it and automatically brings it up. So everybody that's owned a pontoon boat has accidentally lifted the ladder down. You look back, you see the spray coming up. This one actually comes up automatically for you. Pretty sweet, really. Let's check out the inside. All right, so this is the 25 in the Rev platform. We'll get to that here in a minute. So wraparound seating up front, LED lights in the cup holders and in the speakers. Nice storage built into the helm. This boat does have a full JL audio system. So JL speakers, JL amplifiers, nice JL sub built right there in the traditional place. You'll notice all the Premiers do have a raised helm, which is really nice. A little bit higher seating, that way you get a tall person in front of you, you can see. One of the great things about Premier with this PTX platform, because it has a middle log that is so big, the capacity of this boat is 18 people or 2,500 pounds. You'll be really hard pressed to find another boat in this size range that seats the same amount of people, let alone one that seats more. 9-inch Simrad built into the dash, JL audio control, built right into your dash, Mercury binnacle control with active trim. Back to the cool part. So this boat is fresh out of shrink wrap, so fresh it doesn't even have a battery in it yet. So I don't have the ability to lift the power bimini up because it is a powered bimini. But what makes this platform cool is the seat or the table here. You can lower it down to seat height, and then this is a cushion that would go over top of it and fill in this whole area. You notice there's a ladder here. Reason why that's there, this whole platform, you press this lever, this whole seat assembly spins 360 degrees, so you can turn this to the outside of the boat. Built-in wireless charger, ladder for when this is in the side position. Really nice lighted ski tow bar and a 300 horsepower Mercury on the back of it. This boat will absolutely outperform practically any other pontoon boat on the market with the same size and the same horsepower. It'll outperform a lot of stuff with a bigger engine on the back. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, by all means, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.